Welcome! Today I'm showing how to block SIM card with SIM pin into a CUBOT R19. Firstly, open your settings and find security and location option, this one. Go into, then scroll down on the bottom, click advanced and slow down one more time. And here we got SIM card lock. Then choose your SIM card for block with SIM pin and click here lock SIM card to switcher to turn on. Now need to enter your pin, for example 1 2 3 4, and click 1 2 2 3 4 and click OK. And that's it. Now we lock our SIM card with SIM pin. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.